The space that connects everything, Golden Bridge Consciousness, English version. When people talk about reality, they usually talk about things, bodies, objects, planets, energies, waves, but very few ask the most important question. What does all of this exist in? This is where ether comes in. Not as a myth, not as old mysticism, but as the subtlest medium of space, information, and relationship. 1. Ether is not a thing, it is a medium. Ether is not energy itself, it is not matter, it is the space between that allows anything to meet anything else. Right now, as you listen, something allows a thought to arise, information to move, and meaning to be perceived. That something is not air, not a signal. It is a field of relation. That is ether. 2. Ether is where consciousness meets consciousness. Between you and me, there is no emptiness. There is a subtle field carrying tone, intention, and meaning. That's why you can feel when something is spoken from truth, words come from silence, or something feels off, even if it sounds correct. Ether does not carry words. It carries context of consciousness, like water to a fish, unnoticed, yet essential. 3. What is ether made of? Not particles, not waves, potential. Ether is a field that responds to attention, amplifies intention, and remembers relationships. That's why some places feel different, why some conversations stay with you, why some moments cannot be forgotten, not because of the event, but because of the imprint in ether. 4. Ether is not mystical, it is fundamental. Modern science speaks of quantum fields, energetic vacuum, informational space. Ancient cultures spoke of ether. The difference is not truth, it is language. Ether is simply the recognition that reality is not only made of what we see, but of what allows seeing to happen. 5. The Golden Bridge perspective. In Golden Bridge consciousness, ether is not out there. It is the bridge between inner awareness and lived reality, the medium through which consciousness enters experience, the space where silence meets form. When consciousness becomes calm, ether becomes readable. And then you understand, not with the mind, but with the body. You were never separate, you just weren't aware of the field holding you. 6. Final realization. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Ether is not something to believe in. It is something you are already inside of. And the more consciously you live, the clearer the space that connects everything becomes.